In this video, you'll learn how to create specific maintenance inspections with Fixeets. In the Options tab, enable inspections. Once inspections are enabled, you can create as many specific inspections as you want. Click on New and add all the check fields you want to control in this inspection. After confirming, a dedicated sheet will be created to record every inspection carried out. You can now create and carry out an inspection on your equipment from the new tab. You can also link this inspection to a preventive task, so you'll find it in your intervention reports. You now know how to create your inspections with Fixeets. Discover all our features and tutorials on our website and download Fixeets Maintenance.